The Tejano Supercar Show returns November 17th and 18th at the Ector County Coliseum. Lowrider Magazine sanctioned event. And on display, Joe Ray's car, Las Vegas, and the baddest lowriders from coast to coast, plus 2 multi-Grammy winners. On day 1, La Mafia, Emilio Navaida. Day 2 features Cash Out, Know the Product, She's a Beast, Recluse, and special guests. Get your tickets now at All O'Reilly Auto Parts for the 41st Annual Tejano Supercar Show.